Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to insert a checkbox in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open Google Doc and open the document where you want to add a checkbox. Now place your cursor where you want the checkbox to appear. Then go to the toolbar and here you will see the checkbox or checklist option. Click on it and select one. And there you have it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.